The repository that a user clicks on is already loaded from our Git Trending Repos function. To allow for resuming the app after process death, we're going to add a new API function to allow us to fetch a single repo. We'll fall back to this if the selected repo is not present in an in-memory cache we keep in the repository. We're also going to add a function to fetch the contributors for a repository. Looking at the GitHub API docs, we see we need a repo owner and repo name to fetch a single repository. These values are part of the path of the Git request. We'll add a function to our GitHub API that returns a repo API model. For getting the contributors, we can see in the repo API model that we already have a URL. However, in the interest of reducing wasted network requests, which I'll expand on in the next video, we're going to build the contributors URL ourselves. The request is almost the same as the Git repo request, except the path has an added /contributors. This will return a list of contributors, which we need a new model for. The contributor API model will just have the ID, login name, and avatar URL. Let's add these overrides to our fake GitHub API and just leave them unimplemented right now. And next, we'll update the AppRepository class to handle these new API functions.